Umazam Hazan Yusuf. Uday ukun jong way na kinong seng ya ka seng lehnoh Hamas. Ula Pynrem jor ya kibriu na kiri semni kibala penlong ka jingeki kum ha London. Amerika kum kadak ban kersan ya ka Palestine kiba perta Free Palestine. Umazam Hazan Yusuf. Ya ubala tibru kum the son of Hamas. Ni ukun jengki Hamas. Ula baki nong yaki bak kersan ya keri Palestine, kim dan hok ban yaki bak kersan ya keri Palestine, namar bakim pat jumat ya ka jingya jingim ka baki nong Palestine kimat. Henry mau kum ukun keri Palestine, udan hok ban keren, namar balakha ya ha keri Palestine. Bad ulaman ya ka jingim jenjar hapok kari. Ula keliru ya kinong perta kiba perta Free Palestine. Hato kumno kikwa ban free ya ka Palestine. Hato kikwa ban free ya ka Free Palestine na kakti ki Islam jihadis. Ne na kakti ki Hamas. Hato kiri semngi kin ai ya ki Hamas ban le kat bamon kenang bakin la ban le ya ki kam pentrium jengki wat haka pertai borok kawai. Ula Pynrem jor yaki padba kari sepni baka jing kersan jengki ya ka Palestine kadai namar baki isi yaki jiu. Ula ajimut baki briu kari sepni kila banyaki pyrshah ya ka sarkar jengki kat baki mon hala kiri jengki. Henry kim day pat ban muslia yaki kampo iyeng jeng kiri Middle East. Kinong Middle East kitip kumno banle bat kim dan kam satia ya ka ka baki briu ka risep ngi kidan ban ong. Shushu umazam ula ong. Bakari Israel kan jai biteng ban yale thma bat ki Hamas. Hadu bakin du jat sendan. Namar ka jingle jong ki Hamas kalawan ra tang ya ka jing bitar jong ka Israel. Pyrshah ya ka Gaza. Henry kalapen bitar wat ya ubleiru. Kindiat sa pang umazam, kumba ulai tu ba udai ukun jong unong seng jong kaken hun Hamas, bat kum ukun jong unong yalam Hamas, ula jule ki kam pentrim, badru ula syakem bat syakset patok hari Israel. Henry hadian kanepan ula menjur banlong unong sentiat yakiri Israel. Kadan kakot kaba uthok sa pang jong kaba ulai kerteng. The son of the Hamas. Yakabab hila ban order na po Amazon. Menta umazam ula pediang bat ngen ya ujisu bat usa hari Amerika. Hadu menta udang a jingkren haki jingalang jongka UN haki University ban kren pyrshah yaki kam lehnoh jongki Hamas bat kumjuru yaki lehnoh juhadis. Pila ban sngam hi daladia syapang ka jingkren jong nadapi sngotu English.
There are a bunch of movements coming forward in the West, angry in the streets, protesting. Some call themselves pro-Palestine, some call themselves free Palestine. Others say end occupation. What occupation are you talking about? Do you mean end Israel and give Hamas what they want? Give Hamas weaponry, territory, soldiers, army, so they can mess more with the global security? Are you totally blind? How can't you see the things in common between the West and Israel? And how can't you see the violence and the brutality of Hamas movement? Or it's your hatred. You have nothing to do with Palestine, you're just projecting hatred and inflicting emotional pain on the Jewish people as they mourn a modern day Holocaust? Do you think this is how you help Palestine? There is no such a thing as Palestine. Palestine what? Yasser Arafat, Palestine. PLO, Palestine. PA, Palestine. Hamas, Palestine. Islamic Jihad, Palestine. What Palestine are you protesting for? You have no idea what you're talking about. I am being emotional. I have the fucking right to be emotional. Because I speak on behalf of the children. As a Palestinian child, as a child of the land, I qualify to talk about the subject. But you have no idea what you're talking about. You never been there. You did not live the pain of that land. So what are you protesting against or about? What is your problem? Let me be clear. This war will go the way we want it to go. Your opinion doesn't matter. Even if you were a majority, you don't matter. Not in this war. It's not your business. You protest against your politicians in London, in Paris, everywhere, wherever you want. That's your business. But in the Middle East, we deal with business the Middle East style. The Middle East style. We are going after Hamas leaders, and we're going to kill all of them. And nobody can get in the way. Those are criminals. Those are terrorists. They have lots of blood on their hands. Hamas prisoners in Israeli prisons must be executed. We are going to destroy Hamas infrastructure. And that's the answer for their brutality. There is no way around it. As you see, I'm not politically correct. I'm not your type. And I will not be. This act of Hamas did not only bring the wrath of Israel against Gaza and the Gaza people. It brought the wrath of God. And you will see God in action.